10 fascinating facts about Radhakishan Damani. Radhakishan Damani was running a small business of ball bearing. Despite the fact that his family was involved in stockbroking business, he was not interested in stock market. At the age of 32, Damani joined his family business. He soon realized broking alone is not going to work, so he started trading. When Harshad Mehta was busy in manipulating the stocks, Damani focused on shorting them. And when the scam came in light, Damani made a significant win. Even his portfolio was impacted. He started following Chandrakant Sampat and jumped from stock trading to value investing. Damani excited the market after 6 to 7 years. After that, he bought a cheap land and opened a retail empire, Demat. In March 2017, Avenue Supermarket went public and offered at Rs 299 per share, issued at 100% plus premium. Stock listing of Avenue Supermart led to Damani net worth to $6 billion. He became India's second richest person during the lockdown of 2020. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala considered Damani as his mentor from whom he learned the tricks of the trade. Damani is an avid entrepreneur. That is the reason behind Demat profitability.